Welcome to the heart of Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, where architectural beauty meets spiritual serenity. In this video, we'll explore the magnificent Masjid Negara, or the National Mosque, an iconic symbol of unity and faith. Masjid Negara, located in the heart of Kuala Lumpur, is not just a place of worship but a symbol of Malaysia's rich Islamic heritage and a testament to the nation's commitment to diversity and unity. This grand mosque, constructed in 1965, is an architectural masterpiece. The mosque's stunning design showcases a blend of traditional Islamic and contemporary architectural styles. Before entering the pristine prayer halls of Masjid Negara, worshippers participate in a meaningful tradition, ablution, also known as wudu. The mosque's ablution area is an essential part of the visitor's experience. Stepping inside, you're greeted by the grandeur of the mosque's entrance, adorned with intricate Islamic calligraphy and stunning patterns. The mosque is a visual feast for those who appreciate art and culture. As you enter the courtyard, you can't help but be in awe of the vast open space, beautifully landscaped gardens, and fountains. The mosque's prayer hall is a sight to behold. The magnificent dome, stunning chandeliers, and the impressive main mihrab leave a lasting impression on all who visit. The hall is designed with a blend of traditional Islamic and Malay architectural elements. The mosque's interior is adorned with beautiful Islamic calligraphy and intricate artwork, all designed to inspire worshippers and visitors alike. The minaret of Masjid Negara is a beacon of faith, standing tall at 73 meters. It symbolizes the light of Islam that shines across the nation, guiding people toward righteousness. Just a stone's throw away from Masjid Negara, you'll find the Makam Pahlawan, or the Heroes' Mausoleum. This is a significant site that pays tribute to the heroes who sacrificed their lives for the nation. From above, you can truly appreciate the mosque's stunning symmetrical design, a reflection of the unity and harmony that defines Malaysia. Thank you for joining us on this journey to explore the beauty and significance of Masjid Negara. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. This is Munoha Tour signing off from Masjid Negara.